Now let's get into business. For our first speaker, we'll get to know more on how it is to be studying petrochemical and polymer engineering here in SUT. Without a further ado, let us all welcome Mr. Carl Christian Nacario.
Yes, thank you for that. So once again, my name is Carl Christian A. Nacario. I am from the Philippines, currently a sophomore here in SUT. I am majoring in Petrochemical and Polymer Engineering International Program. So for those of you who don't know what is Petrochemical and Polymer Engineering, well, the first words that I can describe this is that it is an integrated discipline. Integrated discipline is that it means that it is a combination of both petrochemical and polymer engineering. The program itself is designed to tailor the petrochemical industry from manufacturing, shaping, and its applications. Now, the program here in SUT is renowned for its extensive and competent faculty and staff. Now, at its core, I want everyone to know that the program here would want to create thinkers where we can help improve these adverse effects on the environment. These materials, what I mean, are those materials that we can often see in our homes, just like the plastics or the rubber materials, and then the ones that we use on our cars, just like the gasoline or petroleum. The international program here in SCT also gives you multiple career opportunities, such as shown on the screen, where we get to become an engineer, just like a petrochemical engineer, a process engineer, a process design engineer, or sales engineer, and lastly, polymer engineer. Now, if you want, you can also become a teaching or academic position, such as a lecturer or research assistant, or even self employed. Now, this means that the petrochemical and polymer engineering here in SUT offers broad career opportunities or pathways. If you like working on polymer materials or plastics, its processes, its designs, testings, and more, then I believe that SUT's Petrochemical and Polymer Engineering International Program is the one for you. The program itself here in SUT is designed to be finished within 4 years, where the first half of your study is more on its core curriculum subjects that are intended to build your foundation all the way through. Now, studying in my major, the petrochemical and polymer, first of all, I think it is very challenging, but at the end of the day, it's very rewarding because all of the adjuncts here are teaching us and guiding us all the way through. Even though it's very challenging, I can also have fun because we can get to have more relationships with our friends and with the adjuncts as well. Now, as mentioned earlier, the petrochemical and polymer engineering is rarely offered in our country. That's why I chose this one because I believe that its career opportunities or the jobs that I can land on are beyond our country or outside and abroad. Now, without SUT, this wouldn't be possible, and now I am happy that I get to be part of this one. So just if you want to join, then come and be a part of our program. So if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to ask it down in the comments below, and we will try to answer it on later.